Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford GT versus Aventador, which is better. Listen for performance, price, and daily usability to judge which suits you. The Ford GT and Lamborghini Aventador each deliver thrilling performance, but they differ in driving character, heritage, and maintenance costs. I will walk through acceleration, handling, interior comfort, and ownership costs so you can pick the right extreme supercar for your priorities confidently today. Both cars excite in different ways, and I will break down how each feels on road and track to help you decide. Expect a detailed look at acceleration, gearing, chassis balance, and electronic aids that shape the driving experience. I will describe how weight distribution, downforce, and suspension tuning influence real-world confidence and lap times. By the end, you will understand which machine matches your driving priorities and preferences. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more comparisons coming. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sauces secure after a long drive or track day. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and save cleanup time so you can focus on the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Owning either car means budgeting beyond the sticker price, and I will outline typical costs to expect. We will cover scheduled maintenance, tire and brake replacement frequency, insurance considerations, and storage needs that affect daily practicality. I will also discuss how limited editions, mileage, and provenance influence resale value and collector interest. This helps you weigh emotional appeal against realistic financial commitments for either choice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.